What's going on, everyone? Cooking with Cameron here, and today we are going to be making some delicious hummus because sometimes you gotta take a break from gaming and make a snack because we are gaming all day and now it's time to make a snack. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe because we post brand new cooking videos every single day. So yeah, today we are making some delicious hummus, and so before we get started, we could be making some hummus. So yeah, we're gonna put a whole thing of chickpeas into our delicious thing to mush up all the chickpeas. So let's put some of this in here. There we go. Let's put some of this in here. So we also drained this, and we opened the can and drained the chickpeas. And so now we're gonna put it in here, to just a little bit. Probably a bit too much, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's try to close this. Probably put way too much. Oops. Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's normal. Yeah, there we go. Let's try to mix this up. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, just gotta mix it all up. And yeah, it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious, everyone. Let's try to mix this all up together. I think you probably put too much in here. Probably put way too much in here. There we go. It's fine though. It's fine. So we're going to put the whole can. The can removed. Oops. Hold up. Let me just try to fix this. Okay, is it good? Hold up. Let's see. A little bit good. Let me try to fix that camera guide. So hold up. Yeah, we should be alright. Okay, let me just try to keep smishing this together. There we go. Might take a little bit because I think I put too much in here. There we go. Make him try it again. Alright. It's fine. Everything's fine. I just gotta mush this all together. Guys. That's what we're doing out here. There we go. Right, I think this is better. There we go. Let me fix that and do it this way. Hold up. There we go. Okay. Once we mush all the chickpeas together, it should be alright. Right, there we go. It do be coming together. Hold on, let me check. Ooh, almost good. Making some hummus. Making some delicious hummus. We're making like mush. So it's gonna be delicious. Alright, let's see. I think this is good. I think this is alright. Maybe there's one more. It's fine, everyone. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Okay, now put this in here. There we go. Put this in the bowl. Some chickpeas. Yeah, hold up. Put some chickpeas in here. Then we'll finish off the rest of the can. There we go. Delicious. I do be loving hummus. If you guys like hummus, leave a comment down below. There we go. That in here. Can't waste any of it. It's too good to waste. Too delicious. There we go. It's a 5-ounce can of chickpeas. So all in here, getting all mushed up. There we go. Pour the rest of it in here. Okay. And we're gonna mix it all together again. There we go. Close this. Oh no. Did we already break it? No, it's fine, right? It's fine, everything's fine. I think maybe we already broke it. Then maybe it's done. I mean, don't talk about that. Wait, did I? Wait. No, it's good. No, it's good. It's fine. See, it's fine. Everything's fine. See, everything's fine. I fixed it. We're gonna mix some more chickpeas together. There we go. delicious. Make sure it's all mushed up. Let me see. No, I still need more. So we're gonna mush up a 5 ounce can of chickpeas. Alright. Now it should be alright. A little bit more. There we go. I think it's good now. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. Looking delicious. Looking absolutely delicious. There we go. Alright. Make sure it's all mushed up. And it's going to be delicious, everyone. There we go. Make sure it's all out of here. There we go. There we go. Alright. Make sure. There we go. It's going to be delicious. Alright. We're also going to add 4 tablespoons of water. There we go. And yeah, it should be all mushy at this point. Totally not making a mess or anything. Not me. Totally not me. Totally not making a mess. So yeah, it should be all mushy and delicious goodness. And it's still some chunks in here though. Still some chunks. Yeah, we're making some good delicious stuff. Some good delicious stuff. We're also gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. Pour that in here as well, and mix it up. There we go. Delicious. There we go. Alright. So just try and get rid of all these chunks. Alright. Then after that, we're adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. There we go. 1 tablespoon. Oops. A little bit too much. Fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine, everyone. Alright. And then 1 clove of garlic. We got minced garlic right here. Put that in. There we go. Got some garlic in here. Garlic's delicious. I love garlic. Mix that all together. Get it out of the way. There we go. Alright, making it like mush. There we go. Keep mixing it all together. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be super delicious. Okay, and then we'll be adding 1/4 of cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of salt going in. There we go. Delicious. And now we're just mixing all this delicious stuff together. There we go. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. Looking delicious. Alright. Now, just mix that all together. And yeah. It's like an easy recipe. It takes 5 minutes to prepare. And yeah, it's just delicious. I love hummus. Hummus and crackers are good. Or is it like hummus and like naan bread? Delicious, delicious. Like, we love hummus. Hummus really good. You know, so let me know what other things I should cook in the comments below. Let me know. Mixing it all together. And yeah, really good, really delicious. Once it's all mixed up, I'm gonna put it in a thing, like a Tupperware container, then put it in the fridge for a little bit. Okay, so we're in the fridge for a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna taste test it. There we go. Be looking good. Ooh, mix it up, and then ooh, let's taste some of it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious. Ooh, can't wait. Hummus and crackers be good. This is good stuff. I love it. We're on mukbang right now. No, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. I'm just gonna eat the whole thing to myself. Love it. Anyways, this is gonna be it for today. Thank you guys all so much for watching and see you next time. Bye everyone.